20 years qualified as a vet this year. I've seen some exciting projects and products, but this, for me, Precision Microbes, their range of liquid pro and postbiotics have been game-changing and blown my mind. When we think about calf health, we understand that gut health is essential. We know the challenge of calf scour, calf diarrhea. And if we think about our need to reduce antibiotics, having something to go into calves to help in the stabilisation of the gut, to help with better gut health. If we think about inside the gut, we think about the role of beneficial microbes. And this has blown my mind, what I've learned over the last 18 months across species. We think about healthy villi. This is what it actually looks like inside the gut. All these finger-like projections down at cell level, aiding absorption. And we've got 70% of the immune system down here at gut level. So when we've disruption there, it can disrupt obviously locally, causing symptoms like diarrhea. But this dysbiosis, if we want to return normal function, having a fast-acting gut stabilizer like the Precision Microbes product, for me, is absolutely a brilliant tool for vets and farmers. When we're administering beneficial microbes, it is the postbiotic metabolites, it's the metabolites they produce that act at gut level to stabilize that gut and return to normal function. Having the good bacteria and all their metabolites in the liquid, making it a pro and postbiotic liquid, is why we're seeing speed of action. Where it gets really exciting is in a long-term use. So if we look at long-term calves recovering from calf scour, dairy to beef systems, or from birth right up to weaning, the potential for using these precision liquid pro and postbiotics, the feedback has been the best I've probably ever seen with any project I've been involved in. That's why I'm excited. People say I'm excited all the time, but that's okay. But really, Precision Microbes is a huge tool. It's a fast-acting gut stabilizer, the potential for long-term use. So we know the challenge of calf scour. We know how important gut health is. Talk to your local vet today about Precision Microbes and its role on your farm. It's something we need to be looking at, not for when it comes to calf scour. It's a fast-acting gut stabilizer, huge potential in long term. When we think about antimicrobial resistance, we need to reduce antibiotics. For me, working with a product like this, it's delivering results and the feedback has been phenomenal. Yes, I keep saying it, but I think it's game-changing. Happy, safe farming, everyone.